Go and search for the rightful owner of the throne. Peace and prosperity shall return to this great land.
Your Holiness, this person in question, where can we find it?
Organize 4 women of wisdom. Let them go beyond the great seas and across the great forest. The gods are going to open their eyes to see. You must not allow anyone to know what you have proposed in your heart. Go. Go in peace. The gods be with you. Go. Go!
Thank you, great one. Let's go.
Grace, Apemso, your servants are set for the journey you have placed on them. Guide them to reveal your heart desire and let them come back with your chosen one. Stretch the pot. Drink water of life. Yes. You see this palm leaves in your mouth. No matter how far you travel on this journey, it will never get dry. When it dries, it means there's trouble. Yes, it's okay.
Let's settle down here.
Your message was adequately executed, Your Majesty. But it was revealed that she was among the search party.
Search party? Search party for what?
Your Majesty, they have gone in search of the king.
I beg your pardon? Did I hear you say the king?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Fool! Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Correct yourself.
Sorry. They have gone in search of their king.
Good. Good boy. Good boy. A king in a pencil? A pencil to have two kings? Impossible.
Yes, impossible. Very, very impossible.
This throne belongs to me.
Yes, this throne belongs to us.
No one born of a woman will ascend this throne. If it takes me to spill blood, I will spill it to retain this throne. Or even sacrifice your head.
Hold on. Your Majesty, Your Majesty, this thing is becoming a threat now. I beg. Yes.
Did you say it's a threat?
Your Majesty.
No, it's not a threat. It's a promise. Yes. A promise. Yes, it is a promise. You and you go to the north side of evil forest. The rest of you watch over the great sea. No stranger can enter this kingdom without my knowledge.
Yes, Your Highness, without our knowledge. I'm sorry. I mean, without your knowledge, Your Highness.
And you, for you, Ofori. When death comes, come here. Please die for me.
I will die for you, Your Highness. Your Highness, did I say I will die for you? No. How?
I, the dog, demand you throw the bone on the floor.
and forget about my fight with the spirits. Did you get that? I said, did you get that?
Your Highness, I'm about to.
Get up.
Finally, the time has come. Finally, the time has come. The time has come. The time has come. The great oracle points northwest over the great river. Are you sure you're not missing the way? The gods cannot lie. Let us go.
Who and who did you send out there to search for a faceless challenger to my throne? Answer first! You are a traitor! I recommended you for the sacred and exalted position to be the mouthpiece of this land! Yet you betrayed me!
Imagine this, Your Majesty. He betrayed us.
I did not betray you, Majesty. Only the voice of the gods spoke to me.
Gods. 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 This useless, hopeless, speechless, stupid gods! No matter who you and your stupid gods bring back into this kingdom, this throne belongs to me. And the children of Wachi will rule this kingdom forever! Vanish! Gods! Your stupid gods should save you. I have slapped you. Where are they?
We can't slap you again.
When wind blows, the anus of the fowl shall be reviewed.
And the anus of the same fowl shall be closed, including the wing. Now refuse it!
Gods of our pencil. I laugh last. And it is said that he who laughs last, laughs best. Gods of our pencil. When a man is drowning in a river, he fights back with his last breath. It will not save you.
Not now.
The death that kills the dog would not let it smell shit. Gods of Abimsu.
My good friend, I like you. Let me help you.
Don't worry. I can do it myself.
I want to help you.
Don't worry.
The gods are wise.
Your Highness. Your Highness.
Your Highness.
What's wrong with you people? Please stop embarrassing me.
Your Highness. You won't understand. We would like you to take us to your home.
Who are you people? And what do you want from me?
Your Highness, we are very hungry.
Point of correction. I am not the queen or the princess of this land. My name is Ja Asantua.
Yes. Yes, we understand. But we would like to follow you home, Your Highness.
Ah! Don't you understand what I'm saying? I said I am not Your Highness. What is this, Your Highness, Your Highness?
Now we know the gods does not lie. We are from Apemso, the land of gold across the great river with a mission. We have found the destiny of our land in your home.
Can you be specific, my lords? I don't understand your mission here. We have seen the hair of the great one of Apemso. We searched for years for the great one, and today our hearts knows joy. You are at the right home. This was exactly the message her mother gave me when she was dying, after the birth of the child.
Yes. The gold chain on her neck proved all the evidence that we have found the one whom the gods spoke about.
Apemso. Apemso. Apemso! Apemso! Your Highness. Apemso. 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 Apemso.
say the queen?
Yes. A beautiful, strong, and energetic warrior, like queens the gods reveal to us. The woman she lives with also told us she was handed to her by the late King Najaman's wife, Nanaya. On her neck was the golden locket the mother once wore in the palace.
Really?
Arrange the kingmakers for the royal homecoming. Ensure that Bwachi does not know anything about the queen's whereabouts. Good day. May the gods guide you.
Is my father from the royal home? Why are you crying, Mommy? Did I hurt you? Please. Your tears is breaking my heart. Please. It's breaking my heart.
The truth has force of gravity. The more you suppress it, the more it rises.
Is my father dead? I don't believe you.
That is why I trained you as a warrior. Because I knew it that one day you will ascend to the throne of your father.
I will never leave you, Mommy. And nothing will make me do so.
Nanaya is alive? Why didn't you people tell me?
Your Majesty, your servants did not lie to your holiness. The queen they discovered is the child of the late ex-queen.
Go now and find out the whereabouts of the queen as soon as possible. If she steps into this land, she will witness the greatest battle ever! 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 I promise! The sky is full with the stars, but they cannot outshine the moon. The moon. Remember, the fear of Bwachi is the beginning of what?
Wisdom, Your Majesty.
Good boy.
Thank you. Your Majesty, I have to fear. The position you've given me, I have to fear. I am next to you. I'm very proud.
Good boy. Good.
Thank you.
Like you.
Thank you.
You're not greedy.
At all.
Let's go.
Don't worry, Your Majesty. It is your mother's dream fulfilled. After your coronation, I will return to Apemsu to continue my stewardship to Her Majesty. May the gods go with you. May your reign bring peace and prosperity to the people of Apemsu.
Thank you, Mommy. Don't cry. For it is true that my body is leaving me, but my soul will live with you forever. For you are the mother I have always known, and you are the highness to Her Majesty. Oh, I will be waiting for you. I will be waiting for your arrival to my new kingdom. Oh. I love you, Mommy. I love you too.
This is not a time to shed tears. It is time for joy. And on behalf of the elders and the people of Apemsu, we want to say thank you very much for taking care of our queen. Akuma.
Nana.
Oh.
This is the token to show our appreciation for what you have done for our daughter and your daughter. May the gods bless you. Again, we say thank you very much. Now you can tie them at a pen.
It is time to go.
Yes, I do!
Gods of this great land, I return your symbol of authority.
Yes, we return your symbol of authority. No, Your Highness. You return to them their symbol of authority.
With a vow never to come back.
Never at all.
Receive this golden stool in good faith. With this little sacrifice I will give you.
Your Highness, did you say sacrifice?
Yes. Yes, sacrifice. Ofori, where is the goat? The goat.
Which goat are you talking about?
Oh, I remember. I just remembered. But that's the goat. That's it. Look at it. Look at it. Is there? Look.
Which goat are you talking about, Your Highness?
Look at it. Is there? Look. Look. Huh? Go to your ancestors.
Your Highness, I lose the crown. Your Highness, and is the threat.
The great and mighty gods of our Pemsuland, the gods of the great King Ajumai, the holder and keeper of this great land of gold. You sent us a message. Now, this is your daughter. The choice of your mighty hand. These are 2 pots that contain salt and pepper. The gods have demanded that you choose one. And anyone that you choose shall be the symbol of your leadership on this great throne of your fathers. Now, this is the hour. Choose. Gods of Abimsu, this is the time and this is the hour. Gods of Abimsu, this is salt. She will be crowned as the queen. The regent must be notified to leave the throne. So says the gods of Apimsu. This is the symbol of your authority.
Elders, we have put everything in order. But one thing that could not be found in the palace is the golden stool.
What? the gods of our ancestors, why are you doing this to us? What is happening? Now where do we start? And where do we go?
Do you hear that? That is the chief priest. Something must be wrong somewhere.
This is an abomination of the highest order. Installation will not take place until the golden stool is found. It must be found. What I see in the sky is about to rain. But when it starts, I don't know. When it will end.
Yansa, I don't see any sign of rain. Did you understand what he said?
How would I understand? It is the voice of the gods. Anochua, what do we do now?
That is exactly what I'm thinking. There's going to be trouble. But we don't have to be scared. Because this is our land.
Where is that idiot? Where are you? Come out if you are not a coward. Come out! I would have sacrificed your blood to the oracles that you defiled to install another king. Now, where is the scripture? Answer me. Where is the scripture? It has returned to the rightful monarch. And you were only given that throne as a custodian, during which the gods prepared the rightful owner. You want to try me? Huh? You want to try me? Huh? I'll never die. No, it's fine. I'll never. gods of Apemsu. The gods have given us 21 days to locate the golden stool. Our calamity will visit us.
What are we going to do? This is an act of wickedness to mankind. Wachi, wherever your soul is, will never, never rest in peace.
8 able-bodied men of good virtue should be sent to search for the golden stool. It will not be easy though, but the gods will see us through.
Your Majesty.
Get 7. I will make them 8, and I will lead them for the search of the golden stool.
Your Majesty, we cannot take that risk.
Only cowards fear to take risk. Whatever those men can do, I, Ya Santua, can also try. I have spoken.
The great sea across the evil forest is a river that consumes its suitors. On your successful arrival, you will have access to enter where the aggrieved kings returns the symbol of our authority. And however, it will not come on a platter of gold. The gods will go with the boat. But be warned, when you arrive at the plain of Apim, on that plain, do not look back. You shall never return on this journey without accomplishing this great task. However, on reaching the great river, abstain yourself from any food or water. May the gods go with you.
Apimsu for wire!
brave warriors will have to rest here for a while. But this area is a danger zone, so we'll have to be very careful.
I don't understand. Just imagine this little rat telling me Okufu to be very careful.
She didn't mean to insult you. She is just protecting you.
She and I, who's supposed to protect each other? You coward, a man of a woman's heart.
You call me a coward? Well, you and I are not here to wrestle or to fight. She is doing what she was told to. She was instructed.
Move now, because crossing this evil forest at dawn will be fatal. Move! That man. He is evil. Pretend you don't see him. Now, move! Run! Move!
But don't you think he needs an assistance?
No! I repeat, don't bother him!
Or what do you
evil.
mean? No!
I warned you. May your soul rest in peace. You know you are gone and never to come back again. Run! Now! Move it! Move it! Go! 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 Go!
Get up, get up, get up. We are from the king's palace. She's
Oh, Apapo.
Let's go.
Come on, look, you've come again. Apapo? Apapo?
Come. Enough of the search. He cannot be found again. We must leave now.
No! No! I am not leaving until I find him. Lead him into this journey. I lead him. What would I tell his wife?
What wife?
Amabo. Tika, let's go. No. Tika, let's go. No. What are you doing? We have to leave here for God's sake. Listen to the voice of the Queen. You and I know that she sees what we cannot see. Let's go. Ababo.
Do you believe in me as your queen? Then, this is the price we have to pay for the protection of our land. Don't worry. We will make it. Let's go. Move!
Ababo. Your Highness! Ababo. My street!
Then get it and be fast! Hurry up!
My street!
You can cool your heads with the water, but nobody should drink from it. We are at the crossroads. Another danger zone. I will be back.
Me, I can't take this anymore. I can't take this anymore. I'm very thirsty. Are you deaf? The queen says no one should drink that water. Then what does she want us to do? What does she want us to do? Does she want us to die before we get to the end of the journey? The instruction was not given by her, but the chief priest. These are the words of the gods. To hell with the words of the gods. Oh, Chapo. Can't you see I'm thirsty? Can't you see? Listen, the sound of water. Be a man, Rajabu. Be a man. Stop it! Ojabo, be careful! I said stop it! Ojabo! Oh! Ah! Stop it! Ojabo! Get this, stop fighting!
What is going on here? What is going on here? Why are you fighting among yourselves?
I just stopped him from drinking the water, Your Majesty.
Gentlemen, it is all right. I don't want to lose any other member of this team. So let us adhere strictly to the chief priest's order. And that is the only way we will survive this evil forest. Now, brothers, let's go.
Serious things are about to happen. Our gods are not asleep. Let's wait and see.
I'm so Anto. You die. Sometimes the ghost of life. You die. You die. Where are they? Where for me? God's way from you.
Is that Anton?
Yes.
Your Highness! Anton!
You could have lived, but you chose to die.
Farewell.
Brothers, let's go!
What am I
Hurry up! Move!
Your Highness, I cannot continue this journey again. I am going back to my family. After all, what would I gain after all these troubles?
Yes, Your Highness, I am in support of that. I'm going back with him. Look, everybody is dying. I can't continue this. Who knows who will be the next victim? I can't continue this journey.
I leave you in peace. You have chosen your own destiny. But remember that he who fights and runs away lives to fight another day. Let's go.
What do you think you are doing? You must be a fool. Adinka, you call me a fool? Oh, look who is calling me a fool. Are you not the one who suggested that we should return to the village while we were in the middle of the mission? Huh? You must be a coward. Me a coward? You are the biggest coward. You followed me all the way to this place. You are coming to tell me I'm a coward. Pasia. Me? A biggest coward? Yes! Ah! 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 Ghost of Abenço. The code is 2. Akuma, don't touch it. Let's wait for the queen. You said wait for the queen. I didn't touch it. No, it will escape. It will escape. No, Akuma. No. Akuma. Akuma! Akuma! Your Highness. Your Highness. Akuma is gone with the golden stool.
The golden stool?
Yes, Your Highness.
He didn't go with the golden stool.
He is gone with the evil stool.
Oh, Akuma.
But don't worry. I know the style.
Oh, Mama Baba Sugar Pie. Oh, Mama Sugar Pie. Oh, Mama Baba Sugar Pie.
My golden stool! I have come all the way from Apemso to take you back home where you belong. I can hear you begging to leave this place. Worry no more, says the gods of Apemso. I am not afraid, for my gods I know will never, ever disappoint me. Last time it was salt and pepper. This time it's a golden stool and an evil stool. This is the moment of truth. Come! Let's go home.
I'll make it. Let's go. Don't worry. Try and make it. We'll soon get to town. For I know that our God will see us through.
I will make it, Your Majesty. I want to see your coronation as our able queen.
That's very brave. Now, let's go. Come. Try.
I can feel you. Yes, I can feel you. The gods of Greater Pencil. I can hear you. Yes. Yes, I can hear you. The golden stool is around this kingdom. the might, strength, honor, and glory of this kingdom is finally back.
Thank you, great gods of Apemso.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You are welcome, Your Highness. Gods of Apemso! I can feel it. Yes. I can feel it. Yes, I can feel it. Yes. I can feel it. I can feel it. The might, strength, honor, and glory of this kingdom is back. Oh, Safa Pemson. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. My people of Apemso, this is the golden stool. It's a symbol of power and authority for the installation of our queen.
Thank you, my people. Now, I have a request. And like any other woman, I need a man. And after the great battle in the forest with this young man, I feel he is man enough to be my husband. So therefore, I will take him as my prince, whilst I be his princess. Come, my prince.